Odonna, please leave my way.
Collie, I'm sorry for my mother's action.
Get out of my way.
Collie, please, listen to me.
I cannot stand here and listen to your lies, Odonna. You sent those men to kidnap me. Oh, do you think I can be that stupid to have left the proof inside that phone after I must have disclosed to you that the proof was in there?
So, some men kidnapped you?
I didn't send anyone after you. I wouldn't have done a thing like that.
Oh, you're begging me now because you have found out that you have the wrong phone.
I still don't know what you're talking about. I did not send anyone after you.
Fine.
Mama. Gini.
It's in our house.
Who?
Odonna.
Is that why you ran away?
Oh, no. I said, let me come and call you. Besides, he's in our house with someone else.
With who?
His sister.
Let's go. Let's go.
Mama, what if he comes up with that question again?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.